Hi, Buster. Hey, girl. How are you? Giving everybody some grain today. Even the babies are up here. I think they're over there, though. Big old Buster the Bull. Cannon. There's one of the babies. Hey, little girl. Hey, little heifer. Where's the other one? Here comes the other one. Kind of makes me nervous when he's walking around me. Big boy. Makes cute kids though. Hey, little girl. So that's it from Walsh Farms today. Giving the cows some oats. Well, it's 3 away with molasses. So yeah, that's it. We all survived the cold temps. It's, hey buddy. It's a blustery, like 32 out. So yeah, getting some chores done. Hope everyone's doing well. We'll talk to you soon.